We all had dreams and aspirations for last year. Looking back, not all those plans were accomplished. A lot of us watching me right now, you have everything all figured out. You have everything written on the paper, also on your mission board. Everything you've planned and how you want the year to play out wasn't how it ended, right? Now we are in 2025. Have you tried to sit down and reflect on what you did last year that didn't work? Because I know that as we're just stepping into this year, a lot of us are writing New Year resolution, New Year plans, New Year dreams, New Year purpose. It is easy for us to move on to the next thing on the line, right? Because we feel that, if this doesn't work out, the next one will work out. Instead of making the same mistake over and over again, why don't you just sit down and reflect on what you did that worked and what you did that it didn't work? Maybe that would probably save you this year. It may just be one tiny thing that you fail to look at could be the reason why you're finding it difficult for your plans to be accomplished. I understand that yes, you tried your best. In fact, you went out of your way, out of your usual way to make it work. But it didn't work out. Are you going to kill yourself? No. You're human. When you're still alive, you can still make it work. So I don't want you to beat yourself up because last year was nothing to write about. Sometimes every errors, every failures is for you to gather up more information, more experience to give your best when next you want to try again. Don't beat yourself. I understand how it feels. We are all on this table. We are all youth trying to figure it out one way or the other. Don't beat yourself up. Always pat yourself at the back when you try to make it known, because it takes someone who value himself or herself. It takes someone who is going somewhere to happen to find this video interesting. You may have just scrolled this video away, but this video actually triggers something in you, and that's why you're watching it. I want you to do the things that you usually don't do, because sometimes a lot of us will keep going through the same route and it's not working. Why don't you try that thing that seems difficult for you to do? That thing that takes you out of your comfort zone, that thing that makes you shrink when you want to do it, that thing that looks very unusual to your personality, looks very unusual to your kind of person. Let me use myself as an example. I'm a very reserved person. So to a limit, there's some things that I can do. But I've also come to understand that if I want to make move, if I want to be where I want to be, there are some things that I have to put in place. There are some things that I have to do in order to get to that place. I will not always be in my comfort zone. I will not always be in my space. I need to move out of my space in order to achieve that thing. Sometimes it can be very inconvenient. It can be very, very challenging, but you have to take it. You have to do it because that is the only thing you can do in order for you to achieve your dreams. So this year, make it work. However you can, make it work. And come back to this video and give your feedback so that others who find this video will learn from it and also be encouraged by your experience. So you tried something and it didn't work out. This year is another year. I don't want you to see it as a new year. I want you to see it as a continuation of you trying to make something work. Because a lot of us, that cliche of it's a new year, it's a new me, sometimes it's just tiring. If you're doing something at the moment and it's working out, but you want to get more from that thing, why don't you just continue to give your best, to be consistent in that thing? And before you know, you're going to be at the top that you wish for. So don't be moved by new year, new me, new year, new strategy, new year, new tactics. Whatever you're doing right now, if it's working for you, please keep on doing it, but give your best and be better at it. Don't be too much in a hurry to start implementing your new plans. Don't be too much in a hurry to start acting based on your impulse. Relax, reflect. If it takes you meditating, do. And you will find out the best way to do it. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Oluwatosin. I hope this video blesses you and I hope it helps you in any way. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, whether you're new or you're old. Like and share to as many people who need to see this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I would like to see you come back again to watch my next video. Bye for now.